This video is going to be a little bit longer today because it's a question I've been getting a lot, and it's one of the things I think that young professionals need to hear. When it comes to insurance, there are a couple different types of insurance that you need. The first is life insurance. You need enough life insurance to cover either your debts, or you need to have enough that it's going to provide your family with, it's going to keep up their standard of living for a few years so they don't have to worry about the fact that where they're going to get money from while they're grieving. The other thing is, and this is what I'm going to talk about more today, is disability insurance. Disability insurance is one of the most, if not the most important insurance as a young professional. I talk to a lot of young professionals that say, you know what, I don't need it, I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm young, it's just not an issue right now. And I'll give you a quick backstory and kind of tell you why I think it's so important. My dad got cancer in 1998, and from 1998 to 2000, he wasn't able to work. But the good thing is that he had disability insurance, and that disability insurance allowed him to basically take that financial burden off of his shoulders. He didn't have to worry about where his income was going to come from because it was coming in. He knew that. And really, it's what we lived on during that time frame. Mom still worked, that wasn't an issue, but we needed that income to be able to survive. And so I think it's so important for everyone to have. When I'm looking at especially young professionals like attorneys, many attorneys, again, they say, hey, we don't need it. But the thing is, you just never know. When you look at life insurance, which most people understand they need, it's actually more likely that you'll be disabled at some point in your life than you'll need life insurance. And don't laugh at that. I know that we'll all die at some point, that's guaranteed. But if you buy term life insurance, you're only covered during the length of that term, whether that's 15, 20, or 30 years, whatever that looks like. Whereas the chances of actually dying during that period are pretty low. That's how insurance companies are able to sell a large amount of coverage for a relatively low amount. And so with disability insurance, I've seen various studies that say that, you know, it's about a 1 in 4 chance that you'll be disabled at some point during your career. You know, we all think, hey, I'm healthy, I'm strong, it's never going to happen to me. But the truth is, any of us could be in a car wreck, you could get cancer, tomorrow. And you don't want to have to worry about going into work after a chemo session in the morning. So disability insurance is a really cheap way, relatively, of protecting your family and giving you some peace of mind and comfort. If you're a member of the Louisville Bar Association, then great news. They have a group policy through Guardian that you can get a discount on. And so if you are a member of the LBA, reach out down to them. They'll help you out. If you have any other questions, reach out to me. I don't sell insurance, so I don't really have a vested interest in that. But again, I think it's important, so I'm happy to make connections and introduce you to someone who can help you out. So again, Jeb Gerald with Plentiful Wealth, thanks for joining me today. Bye.